In the ever-growing lineup of Xiaomi's Poco smartphones, the Poco F5 Pro emerges as a promising contender, ready to make its mark among the brand's commercially successful and best-selling models like the F1 and F3. This device aims to cater to a wide range of users, including gamers, photography enthusiasts, and more. The design of the Poco F5 Pro is impressive, although it may not match the premium aesthetics of flagship smartphones. The predominant use of polycarbonate, while ensuring durability, lacks the premium feel of metal or tempered glass. However, the camera module stands out as an exquisite feature, and the front surface is nearly bezel-less, with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display housing an integrated fingerprint scanner. The AMOLED panel boasts an impressive resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels, typically found in higher-priced smartphones, and offers a significantly higher brightness level, surpassing the standard 900/1000 nits. Additionally, the display's 120 Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth and immersive viewing experience, leaving no room for complaints about the visual quality. When it comes to performance, the Poco F5 Pro excels with its powerful hardware. Equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU, this device guarantees a high-performance gaming experience for years to come. Supported by 8GB or 12GB of RAM and the Adreno 730 graphics core, the chipset delivers seamless multitasking and efficient resource utilization. To complement the chip's energy efficiency, Xiaomi has included a generous 5500 mAh battery, providing a day and a half of usage with 8 to 9 hours of screen-on time. The device offers both wired charging, with a 67-watt power output, and wireless charging, ensuring convenience and flexibility. Moreover, the Poco F5 Pro offers ample storage space with its 256GB ROM, accommodating the needs of users who require extensive storage for their apps, files, and media. In terms of photography, the Poco F5 Pro boasts a capable camera setup that exceeds mediocrity. While the 8-megapixel and 2-megapixel auxiliary sensors may not rival those found in dedicated camera phones, the main 64-megapixel Omnivision OV64B module with optical stabilization proves its worth, especially in low-light conditions. The camera produces detailed images with minimal noise and rare instances of object blurring. The device also delivers impressive stereo sound, with volume levels that can easily replace the need for external Bluetooth speakers. Additionally, the Poco F5 Pro incorporates NFC contactless payment functionality and runs on the latest Android 13 with MyUI, offering a seamless and user-friendly interface. With all these features and a reasonable price point, the minor flaws of the device become even less significant. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Poco F5 Pro sets a new standard for entertainment-focused smartphones. Its attractive design, immersive display, powerful performance, commendable camera capabilities, and practical features make it a compelling choice for users seeking a versatile and affordable device. With the Poco F5 Pro, Xiaomi continues to deliver value-packed smartphones that cater to a wide range of consumer needs.